Okay, we're out here. We're going to get on a shuttle, I think. It's going to take us to the car show. Just wanted to show you the parking lot here that we're in Field 5. As we were saying before, that's the Jones Beach Theater. There's Angelina in a purple again.
I love my purple.
There's the water tower that everybody calls the pencil. And up there, I guess, is going to be the shuttle. So let's head to the shuttle. All right, so we'll see you back when we get to the car show. Okay, we just got on the bus. There's Angel. And it's pretty good. There's a lot of people here. They got a lot of shuttles running back and forth.
I got his little surprise on here.
Okay. Just wanted to take the shot of the ocean here while we walk from the shuttle to the car show. It's a nice afternoon. There's a big line to get the shuttle back. It's got a parking lot. Maybe the line will be less when we're ready. I don't know.
Yeah, when we finish, yeah.
Guess we're walking under a tunnel or something to get to the highway. Okay, we'll see everybody when we get to the car show.
Look, concrete.
All right, we just got under, we went under the Ocean Parkway, or we're here at Tobay Beach. That in the car show. Alright, so we're just going to walk around, look at the different cars, and you guys could just join us in walking around. Let's go down there and we'll loop around. Oh, look at the red Cybertruck. Check that out first. I know you're not a fan. The Tesla Cybertruck. I thought it looked pretty cool. This one has a wrap, I guess, because they come in stainless steel, but then you can get different colors. You put a wrap on it.
They play with it on video. Gotta leave the door open so they can get in and out. Let's go, we gotta go meet Rob's friend.
Wait, can I close it?
No, leave it open for now.
Oh, this point.
Go.